Hey guys, this is Gary from MileageWise, and today I'm going to show you how to utilize our AI-powered AdWise function to either fill in the trip gaps in your mileage log or create a new one completely from scratch. Let's get started by setting your parameters based on your vehicle usage habits. First, you need to choose if you would like AdWise to recommend trips based on your desired monthly mileage or the deductible amount for the month. Next, you need to set your realistic maximum drivable distance for each specific day. Step 3 is to select your realistic number of daily driven trips. You can also set AdWise to calculate with more nearby or distant clients more often. And the last parameter that you can set is actually how often you would like AdWise to reuse a business client for that specific month. Once you're done with the parameters, click to run the wizard. And here are your results. As you can see, AdWise has done a perfect job. All of your trip gaps have been filled out and your mileage evens out perfectly. Now I'm going to show you how it works when you would like to auto-populate a mileage log completely from scratch. Set your parameters again and click to run the wizard. And another perfect mileage log. I will mention that you can actually run AdWise as many times as you'd like, so feel free to keep doing it until you're satisfied with the results. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.